Viewers, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clean the blade on a microwave fan motor. Now, this did not come out of any of my microwaves. This came out of another microwave that my friend scrapped and he gave me the fan out of. I'm going to clean this blade. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty. So it's been in I almost said a radio, in a microwave for a while. So I'm going to stop the video really quickly, get this blade pulled off. What I'm going to do is pull up, and you can tell the shaft is going through the blade. And I just want to do this without breaking this blade. You want to, so what you want to do is just pull up. And I'm going to stop the video, and I'll come back when the blade gets off. Okay. I have successfully gotten the blade off of the motor. Here's the motor assembly. And we're going to go ahead and clean it. Now what you want to do is get a sponge. Put some soap on there. I'm using some Dawn. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set up my camera here to show what I'm doing. So what you want to do is get some Dawn soap, which this video is not sponsored by Dawn in any ways. We're going to put it on this side, get some water on there, get that, take your blade, go over it with the Dawn soap, and not only will it get the grease off the motor blade, it'll actually make it nice and clean again. And since the blade has no metal in it, I don't know why my phone's falling out. Whoops. Hold on a second, you guys. There's some camera problems. Okay, I think I got it to stay. So what you want to do is just wipe it down like this. Just completely soap it up. And get inside the blade here, and then what you want to do, just keep going. You get the sponge, you wash it down, bring it out a little bit, get all the dirt out of it, and now you wash your hand and you take the blade and you just wash it down the blade here.